Hello class! Today we're going to make peanut butter cookies because the Ramadan book that I read you had a line that said, "We bake sweet treats," and I like to make peanut butter cookies. It's an easy recipe. Here's the recipe with 3 ingredients. Peanut butter, but if you're allergic or you prefer, you can use soy nut butter or any other substitute for peanut butter. Eggs, which I already cracked, 2 eggs, and sugar. So just 3 ingredients and no flour even, so they're even gluten-free. Alright, so you need the whole jar. This is a 16-ounce jar, so we just scoop it all out. You need a bowl. You need a measuring cup. You need your cookie sheets. Your oven set to 350. And some spoons. We're going to need 1 1/4 cup of sugar, which we'll measure now. That's perfect. And I like to layer it when I put it in so it mixes better, but you can do whatever works for you. That's all the peanut butter out of the jar. Lots and lots of scooping. They're going to be very yummy. Okay, almost done. This is good scooping practice. Okay, see, there's almost all of it, and I think we're almost all set. A little bit more in there. And the rest of the egg and the sugar. Is that everything? We've got peanut butter, check, sugar, check, and eggs, check. Now we just have to mix it all up, which takes a little bit of effort. I'm going to mix a lot of peanut butter in there. So now we've got it all in there. Stir, stir, stir. A lot of stirring. It's very sticky. I know you guys are good stirrers, so you can do this. Once it gets all stuck together, we're pretty much all set. Get the sugar mixed in. There, like that. That sugar's coming in there. Almost there. I think it's stirred up nice, so we can scoop it into cookies. cookie sheets. So I'm going to scoop 3 rows of 3 and 4 like this. Just about a scoopful like that. 1, 2, 3 across, and going down we're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you fill in the cookie sheet and you put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and I'll let you know when they're done. Okay? Thank you for baking with me. I hope yours come out as delicious as mine. Have a great day. Bye.